Hi. In this video I'd like to show you that you can work with Speakerbench on a tablet using data from an online database. A phone will also work, although I have seen some browser that doesn't render Speakerbench very well, and I also think the screen can be a little bit small, so a tablet is probably a better option. Let me go behind the camera and so you can see the screen of the tablet. There we go. First, we locate a browser, and in this case, because it's an Android tablet, it'll be Chrome. And we type in Speakerbench. Speaker bench.com. And as you can see, it is loading. And if you type them, push the manual button, a browser tab opens up with a manual, so you can just study the manual. You can see you have Speakerbench here, and manual is loading in a separate tab. And this is convenient for instructions. So anyway, I don't have any data sheets on this tablet, so let me show you how you can download a small data sheet for Speakerbench. And for this, we use an internet database named loudspeakerdatabase.com. We type that into the browser here. Loud speaker database.com. In this database, you can see that there are more than 3,000 data sheets available. Here says 3,901 results. The database is created and maintained by Christian Pop, and you can filter the database with some search criteria. Let me show you. First, we can decide to look for like a 6 to 7 inch driver. We can do that by adding the nominal diameter here, and we can say that we want between 6 and 7. Go. Right. So now there's 469 results. So we have filtered the database. There are a lot fewer options to look through here, and that's quite a bit. So we limit our search a little further. Let's say we want to limit the QT in the range of, there are some parameters down here that we can choose from. QT, if we go from, let's say, 0.33, for example, that's, and up to a QT of, where do you go? Yeah. 0.37. That's a classical range of QT for drivers, for bass reflex. And now there's 85 data sheets to choose from. So that way we have filtered this further down. And I would like to show another example here. We can select a brand, and we can type scan speak, for example. Oops. So now we have 8 results. That's just the scan speak drivers to choose from. There's 8 results here, and of course you don't have to just pick one. You can choose a second one, CS for example. And now there's 17 results to choose from in a mixture here. Some ScanSpeaks and some CS drivers show up here. So that's how you can use the loudspeaker database for filtering. And it's easy to locate a driver in the database, whatever is suitable for you. So to view the datasheet, you click on the driver that you're interested in, and this could, for example, be this ScanSpeak 18W 4531G00. It's one that I'm quite familiar with, and so we get some fundamental data here. Yeah, as you scroll down to the bottom here, you can find the export functionality here. You can export to a number of different software, and Speakerbench is one of them. We just simply push the button, and this is downloading now. Done downloading. And we hop back to Speakerbench now because we would like to load this driver into Speakerbench. And we select the datasheet creator. And one of the functionalities is that you can drag or drop a file, but you can also just select a file on disk, media picker, and my files probably, or is there somewhere that says downloads? No, my files, downloads. And you can see this JSON file that we have downloaded is available right here. So we will pick that one. Done. Okay, good. And we can see that this file has now loaded into the datasheet creator at Speakerbench. We can see here that its provider is loudspeakerdatabase.com and so on. It has loaded the right driver. The datasheet with all its data is now imported into Speakerbench. It's just till small parameters, so we do not simulate with viscoelasticity. But I think this database is nice because you can scan the entire database for a driver that fits your needs without first having to measure a driver. I hope you liked this video, and please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like us to generate more content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now go play around with the database and find a driver you'd like to use for your simulation. Have fun!